Hello friends, welcome to today's stock overview. It's 11th July 2025 and we are bringing you the latest gold and silver updates, a must-know for every trader and investor. These are the current rates in the market as of now. Although the prices keep changing based on live trading, this still gives you a good idea of what gold and silver are trading at today. Every trader and investor must track gold and silver rates along with stock prices, as precious metals play a crucial role in understanding overall market sentiment and movement. Let's now understand what IBJA, the Indian Bullion and Jewelers Association, is and how it works. IBJA is a respected institution in India that declares the daily prices of gold and silver. It brings together bullion traders, banks and jewelers from across the country. Every day, IBJA members, including major traders and jewelers, send their buying and selling prices to the association. IBJA calculates the average of all those prices, and based on that, it announces the rate for 999 and 995 purity gold per 10 grams. IBJA, Indian Bullion and Jewelers Association, publishes gold and silver rates twice a day on its official portal. Afternoon, between 12 p.m. to 12:30 p.m., evening between 5 p.m. to 5:15 p.m. The silver rate per kilogram is also published. Where are IBJA rates used? Custom duties, banking transactions, jewelry industry, taxation and settlements, market reference pricing. The rates declared by IBJA are indicative prices, not real-time market prices, but they are widely used across India as a standard reference. What is MCX? MCX stands for Multi-Commodity Exchange of India Limited. It is India's largest commodity exchange, where trading happens in commodities like gold, silver, crude oil, copper, zinc, nickel, etc. MCX is a regulated platform supervised by SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, to ensure transparency and safety in trading. What happens on MCX? Just like stocks are traded on stock exchanges, commodities are traded on MCX. People trade based on price movements using futures contracts, meaning they buy-sell for a future delivery date. Example, you can buy gold on MCX today for delivery or settlement 1 month later. Google's gold rate is just an indicator, not the actual buying or selling price. Always verify the rate with IBJA, MCX, or your local jeweler before making any trading or investment decisions.